welcome back. In today's video, we're doing yet another restoration. This time of this Lima 040. Some of these are starting to take a little bit longer. So let's just dive into the restoration. It runs pretty well, but probably needs some oils. Just due to current draw, kind of like that Mark switcher that we restored 3 videos ago. So that was almost a week ago for you guys. But for me, that was like just now. I also just restored the AHM. Okay, well that screw didn't do too much. What I'm assuming is I need to unscrew this with the drawbar to access the locomotive. Then we will see what condition this is in. I really hope this doesn't have the same thing as that other AHM we just worked on. Even though this is a Lima. Don't know how this is supposed to come out, so I'll just turn off the video and do this off camera while I try to get it out. Okay, I got it off, and surprisingly, it looks pretty clean on the inside, actually. Especially around these bearings and such. So I'm just going to do a small, quick cleaning, and then we can give this thing some oil. This one probably won't take much at all. Mainly because I don't really know how to disassemble it, but it doesn't need much work at all, it seems like. Okay, so we got that clean. Now it's time to give it some fresh oil. Okay, now let's give this some oil. Some oil there. I think that should be good. So I'm gonna put this locomotive back together now. Give it some tests for that oil. I think it might have had a wire disconnected here too. So I'll just put this all back together off camera just because. So I'll be right back now with it together. Okay, now let's give it a test and see how it runs. Forgot to turn the controller on. It's at about half power and it's running pretty well. Let's see how slow we can get it to roll. Once we get it back here. Oh, it stalled. Oh, well. Thanks for watching.